In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make website on Emergent AI free. We'll walk through creating a clean professional landing page using Emergent AI without spending a cent. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along in your browser and finish with a shareable result. First, open the Emergent AI app in your browser. Give the page a moment to load. A stable connection and a modern browser will make everything feel snappier. Once you're in, look for the area dedicated to building sites. You'll see an option labeled Landing Page. Click that. Choosing this tells Emergent exactly what kind of output you want, so it sets up the right structure from the start. Next, you'll see a prompt box. Type something simple to begin, like build a landing page. You can keep it short or add helpful context such as your product type, target audience, preferred tone, or a color palette. Clear intent helps the AI create a page that matches your vision on the first try. If you have brand materials, you can add an attachment here. This might be a logo, a style guide, a product image, or a short document with your headline and key benefits. Attachments give Emergent concrete references so it can style and write around your actual assets. Just make sure the files are relevant and clearly named. If you want your code saved in a repository for version control or future deployment, connect to GitHub. This links Emergent's output to your workspace so changes are tracked and easy to share. Keep permissions tight and choose the account or organization that makes sense for your project governance. Now, choose a model. Emergent lets you pick the engine that generates your page. In general, faster models are great for quick drafts, while more capable models can produce richer copy and layout ideas. If you're unsure, start with a balanced option and refine later. When you're ready, click the Send button or press Enter. This triggers generation. You'll see the system working through your prompt and any attachments you provided. Finally, wait for it to load. Emergent may ask a couple of clarifying questions. Things like your product's one-line value proposition or the primary call to action. Answer briefly and consistently with what you wrote earlier. Then let it finish. Once the page appears, give it a careful read to confirm the headlines, sections, and visuals align with your goal. If something looks off, adjust your prompt details and send again to iterate quickly. That's it. Your free AI-generated landing page on Emergent, ready for sharing or further polish.